As China's Sichuan province is still reeling from a powerful earthquake, a heavy rain-triggered landslide in the region has killed another 23 people. Authorities say more than 70 homes were also destroyed in the country's third natural disaster in the space of just 2 days. The mountainous areas of Sichuan are prone to landslides, with one in June leaving 10 people dead. Meanwhile, Tuesday's earthquake that hit the popular tourist destination of Jiuzhaigou has now claimed at least 19 lives and left nearly 250 others injured, 40 of them seriously. Rescue and recovery operations are still underway. There is, however, no reports of casualties from the 6.6 magnitude tremor that hit China's far northwestern region of Xinjiang on Wednesday morning.